Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the tune Tam Lyn on the fiddle, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below. I post videos just like this one each and every week, so if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button below, along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I post a new video. As always, the timestamps are listed in the description box below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. There is an extended version of this tutorial where I teach you how to play the version of the tune I played just a minute ago with some added double stops and other ornaments, so if you want to check that out, you can do so using the Patreon link in the description box below. And as always, the sheet music for this tune is available in my digital sheet music library, also linked in the description box below. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. So for this tune, we're in the key of D minor, so we have one flat, B flat, so keep that in mind. And let's go ahead and get into this first phrase. Okay, so we maintained a pretty consistent pattern there. If you notice, we did have some string crossings between the D and G strings, and also I went ahead and left my second finger between the B flat and F natural in the second half of that phrase, and that just makes it so much easier when crossing strings and changing from one note to the next. Here is our next phrase, starting on a C on the G string. Okay, so we ended that with a little descending scale pattern, so anytime you can pick out any types of patterns, whether they're string crossings or scales or arpeggio patterns, definitely use that to your advantage here. Alright, and this third phrase is exactly the same as the first phrase, so we can go ahead and review these notes. And this next phrase begins the same way as the second phrase, so we do go up to that C natural again to start, but it ends a little differently, so listen for the last notes that we have here. Okay, so again, we did have a little walk down scale pattern and we ended on our fourth finger D. All right, so that was the whole A section, and the form of this tune, as you might have guessed, is AABB. So now that we've learned all of these notes in the A part, let's go ahead and play it at a slow tempo together. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, so now let's get into this B section. Our first phrase begins on our third finger D on the A string, and it goes like this. Okay, so essentially we're just playing the same set of notes 2 times in a row. The second phrase of this B part begins on a C natural on the A string. You've probably already noticed that we don't have as many string crossings in this B part as we did in the A part, but we do go back and forth here and there between the D and A string, so watch out for that. And we had another fourth finger there on the A string for that E note. So for this tune, the more often you can use your fourth finger, the easier it'll be. Now, this third phrase is almost exactly the same as the first phrase of the B part, but we have a couple of different notes at the end, so be sure to listen closely for that. So we ended on that low A, the first finger on the G string there. And then here is our last phrase of the tune, beginning on a B flat. Congratulations for making it all the way to the end of this tune. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing we did for the A part and play this B part together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, ready, go. And there you have it. That is all of Tam Lyn. I really hope you enjoyed learning that tune with me today. And if you're interested in taking a look at the sheet music, it is available in my digital sheet music library. You can find the link for that below, along with sheet music for all of my other fiddle tutorials here on the Tune Project. And as I said earlier, if you would like to add more to this tune and are interested in maybe including some ornaments and learning how to spice it up a little bit, then definitely check out the extended version of this tutorial on Patreon. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy practicing!